We have a problem on logarithm. Let's read the question. Find the value of log 0.0625 to the base 2. That is, we have to find the value of log 0.0625 to the base 2. Okay, so already we know 625 is equal to 25 square. So the same way we can write 0.0625 as 0.25 the whole square. So log, instead of this 0.0625 we can write 0.25 the whole square to the base 2. So in the next step what we can do is we can get this exponent 2 in front of the logarithm using one of the fundamental laws of logarithm. Then we get 2 times log 0.25 to the base 2. Okay, in the next step what we can do is 2 times log this 0.25 can be written as a fraction, that is 1 divided by 4 to the base 2. Here 1 and 4 are in division, so for this one I can use the second fundamental law of logarithm. Then I will get log 1 to the base 2 minus log 4 to the base 2. Okay, in the next step 2 times the value of log 1 to any base is 0, so this logarithm will become 0 minus log this 4 can be written as 2 square to the base 2. So 2 times minus, now we can get this exponent in front of the logarithm, then we get minus 2 log 2 to the base 2. Here the argument and base both are equal, so the value of this logarithm is 1. So it's going to be 2 times negative 2 times 1. So this is equal to 2 times negative 2, which is equal to negative 4. So the value of log 0.0625 to the base 2 is negative 4.